Recently, we installed one of our drain tile systems for a homeowner in Fridley, Minnesota. The job was pretty straightforward. We hammered up the concrete and dug a trench that sloped down toward the sump basket. Our crew also drilled holes in each and every cavity of the block to direct water into our system. We then installed rigid PVC drain tile and surrounded it with washed rock to create a drainage field. The rock holds the drain tile off the bottom of the trench to ensure dirt and mud won't infiltrate the system. A plastic moisture barrier is laid over the rock to keep moisture from wicking up and cement from seeping down. And then we install our patented Diamond Drainage Board. Diamond Drainage Board directs water from the block across the footing into the drainage field and drain tile and onto the sump where it's pumped away from the house. Linda, the homeowner, told us she was referred to Standard Water by her neighbors Mary and Chuck. She also gave us high marks for the work we did and would recommend us to anyone with a basement water problem. If you have water in your basement, don't hesitate to contact us today.